Funding for this program furnished by Big Paulie's Sports Bar, Long Avenue, Newcastle. This program made possible by a grant from Melva's Deja Vu, where everything old is new again. Now, keeping with the theme, the fireworks capital of the world, the Disability Options Network and its affiliates are pleased to announce that they will be coordinating with the Newcastle Fireworks Festival in 2018. They understand the importance of the Fireworks Festival to this community and appreciate the hard work given by people in the past that helped put the Fireworks Festival on. It will resume on the second Saturday of July 2018. So good news for the Fireworks Festival. Now, it will be roughly, as I'm thinking here, around the 16th of July next year. So mark your calendar, the fireworks are back. And we'll be right back after we hear word from these sponsors.
May's Donuts is a Newcastle tradition. Customers continue to get excited about the high quality and superior taste of all their scrumptious sweet treats, and they come back time after time. Go ahead and treat yourself and your family and friends. You too will keep coming back to May's Donuts for more. May's Donuts is now located at 2406 Wilmington Road in Shannock Township. Open 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Call 724-944-5968. That's 944-5968. You've got to try the Pellet Artisan Cuisine Restaurant. Sam and David invite you to experience their food concept known as Farm to Fork. They'll provide you with artisan crafted cuisine made from the freshest local ingredients at affordable prices. The Pellet Restaurant is a bring your own bottle establishment. Open 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 11 to 10, Friday and Saturday, located in the Westgate Plaza, Union Township. Give them a call, 724-293-0123. That's 293-0123.